laws exist for a reason. They make sure that everything in society goes smoothly and without problems. But what if a law denies basic rights to people? What if a law becomes outdated? Or forget all that. What if a law doesn't apply to the current society anymore? Let me give you an example. Let's say 1,000 years ago, a little village by the shoreline was extremely prone to floods and tsunamis. They had huge tidal waves hitting their shores and causing destruction almost every weekend. So, they came up with a solution. Every time a wave was about to hit, someone would ring a huge gong in the center of the village, and everyone would know and move into safety. Over time, this saved a lot of people, and the village generally got much safer. It became a law now that if you hear the gong, you have to get to protection. The gong law. But now, let's fast forward a little bit. All the people have now migrated from the coastline further inland, where the tsunamis won't hit them at all. Now, does it make sense for these people to still follow the gong law? Why have the gong if there's not going to be a tsunami at all, right? The law is now irrelevant. They could either completely remove the gong, or they could use the gong to signal something else, like fire in the forest or an attack from a nearby kingdom. Now that's what happened with the Hindu succession law. According to this law, the land owned by the parents would only go to the son and not the daughter. That's not really fair, is it? This is what a mother had to say about the act. Dear people, I have come to you with a problem. My husband died recently, and he has left behind some land. I wanted my daughter to get her share, but unfortunately, the law of the country says that she can't. It's unfair. Why can't women get equal treatment? If we have to change this situation, our politicians have to change the law. So I appeal to all the politicians out there. Think of all the daughters in the country. Give them some rights. We want rights. We want land. Change the law. We want rights. We want land. Change the law.
The recent protests that all of us are seeing these days have raised an important point. The girls of the country have pointed out that the Hindu Succession Act does not give them the right to inherit land from their parents. All these years we had not thought about this unfair treatment given to our daughters. But now times are changing. Women need to be treated as equals to men. Friends, we already have a law, but it does not treat our sons and daughters as equals. We need to update this law and give women the right to inherit land. After all, they work hard on the fields along with men as equals. So let us change this law. I ask for your vote to the Hindu Succession Amendment Act, 2005.
This new law changed the scenario in the entire country. Women got the right to inherit land from their parents, and now things were better. This isn't just a unique case. If you think the government is being unfair or is doing something wrong, you can get enough people to protest against the way things are, and if enough people join in and things go well, you might just be able to change the law.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.